Blaise Pascal was a French mathematician, and he did a lot of work with this triangle that's called Pascal's triangle. Now, he didn't invent this triangle, the Chinese actually did, but Pascal really studied it and found a bunch of set patterns in it, and that's what I'm going to be talking about today. So Pascal's triangle looks like this, and along the outside, we have all of these ones, and they're on both sides. And then the pattern is what's known as a recursive sequence. And cursive, of course, is when you write your letters all attached. And the reason it's called a recursive sequence is because the numbers in the sequence are attached to each other. For example, we've got 1, and then we've got 1, and then 1, and then we have 1, 2, 1. The next row is 1, 3, 3, 1, and then the next row is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Now remember, they're attached to each other. So if I look at it, and the next row is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So pause the video for a second, and then I'm going to tell you how I got this pattern. So the way I got this pattern is by taking the numbers and adding the two above. So if you think of it kind of like they're falling down, so 4 and 6 make 10, 6 and 4 make 10, 4 and 1 make 10, or 5 rather, 1 and 4 make 5, and then here 5 and 10, and so forth. So this is the way you get the pattern in this sequence. Now, like I said earlier, these diagonals, those are all ones, and those are all ones. And then if we look at this first diagonal, this outside one is called diagonal 0. But if I look at this first one here, I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which are, of course, my counting numbers. And then also over here, I have the numbers 1 through 9. And then if I continue down, I have these numbers here. And these numbers are called triangular numbers, 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, and so forth. And the reason they're called triangular numbers is because if you were to take rocks or pieces of paper or whatever and line them up, you would make triangles. So if I have 1, and then I have 3, and then I have 6, they make these triangular configurations. So you know that a square number, first square number is 1, the second square number is 4, because if I arrange their factors, the next one, of course, is 9. If I arrange their factors, I get squares. Another interesting thing with Pascal's triangle, and we're looking at these adjoining triangular numbers, 1 plus 3 is, of course, 4. 3 plus 6 is 9. And 10 plus 6 is 16. So when Pascal looked at this triangle, he found these patterns and many more. So that's what I would like you to share with your classmates today.